Cooking with sentence. I am washing fruit and vegetables. I am washing fruit and vegetables. I am washing fruit and vegetables. I am chopping vegetables. I am chopping vegetables. I am peeling potatoes. I am peeling potatoes. I am cutting carrots. I am cutting carrots. I am slicing tomatoes. I am slicing tomatoes. I am slicing tomatoes. I am decking potatoes. I am decking potatoes. I am decking potatoes. I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese. I am frying eggs. I am frying eggs. I am poaching eggs. I am poaching eggs. I am poaching eggs. I am spreading butter. I am spreading butter. I am spreading butter. I am spreading butter. I am whisking eggs. I am whisking eggs. I am whisking eggs. I am flipping pancakes. I am flipping pancakes. I am flipping pancakes. I am scrambling eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am boiling 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 eggs. I am roasting vegetables. I am roasting vegetables. I am roasting vegetables. I am toasting bread. I am toasting bread. I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am boiling water. I am boiling water. I am boiling water. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. I am adding sugar to the tea. I am adding sugar to the tea. I am adding sugar to the tea. I am blending a smoothie. I am blending a smoothie. I am blending a smoothie. I am squeezing lemon juice. 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 I am caramelizing sugar. I am caramelizing sugar. I am caramelizing sugar. I am pinching salt into the soup. I am pinching salt into the soup.